Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Ensure your J7 Prime has at least a 50% charge and back up any irreplaceable files because the following steps can erase data. Power the phone off fully, then press and hold volume up, home, and power simultaneously. Maintain pressure until the Samsung logo appears. Once done, release the buttons and wait for Android recovery. You do this to access system-level tools that bypass the locked screen without the normal settings menu. In recovery, navigate with the volume keys and highlight wipe data/factory reset. You use the power button to confirm because touch is disabled there. Select yes. Delete all user data to remove the screen lock and all personal settings. This is why backing up first matters. Once the process runs, wait until the screen displays data wipe complete so you don't interrupt file operations. After confirmation, highlight Reboot System Now and press power to restart into a fresh setup. After reboot, go through the Android setup and sign in with the same Google account previously linked to this device. This prevents activation lock issues. If you encounter a Google lock or FRP prompt, use the original account credentials to regain access because that verifies ownership. If you cannot recover credentials, try Samsung Find My Mobile to remotely unlock, or make sure to bring purchase proof and visit an authorized service center. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.